Geometry 6.2, page 256. This is talking about characteristics of parallelograms. Characteristics of parallelograms, okay? First theorem here on 256 says consecutive angles of parallelograms are supplementary and opposite angles are congruent. Okay, so what this is saying, if this is a parallelogram, that means that these are parallel and these are parallel. That's the definition of a parallelogram. If it's a parallelogram, this and this, A and B, are supplementary. Okay? It also means that this and this, A and C, is congruent to C. So A and C are the same, and A plus B are 180. Therefore, that plus that is 180, that plus that is 180, that plus that is 180. This and this are the same. So opposite angles are congruent, and consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay, next one says if a parallelogram has one right angle, then it has four right angles. Okay, if this is a parallelogram, and if this is a right angle, everything's a right angle. Well, why? Because if this is 90, that has to be 90 because it's 180. If this is 90, that's 90 because they're complementary and all the way around. So if in a parallelogram, if there's one right angle, they're all right angles, and it is a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle is a parallelogram. It just has 90-degree angles. Next it said opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay, parallelogram, parallelogram. Therefore, this are the same congruent, and this are the same congruent. Same over here. Obviously, in a rectangle, these two are the same length, these two are the same length, congruent. Okay, and the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now, this one here, and we use this for a lot of different stuff. This one and this one are not the same length, but this is, and this is. This and this are the same length, this and this are the same length. That's what bisect means. Now over here, they are the same length because 90 degrees, and that would mean all of them are the same length on the rectangle, okay? Next, turn the page here. Concurrent division of transversals theorem. It says if three or more parallel lines divide a transversal into congruent segments, they divide every other transversal into congruent segments. So what this is saying is this. We have three parallel lines and two different transversals that are not parallel or anything else. They're just there. If this transversal, if this distance is the same as this distance, if these two segments are congruent, then these are also congruent. And then we know things too, you know, like this and this are the same, this and this are the same. And if you were to draw this, if you were to match this angle right here, right there, then this would be that, and this would be a parallelogram with a dotted line, not out to here. Okay, so we just know bunches and bunches of things, so we can figure out things from that. Okay, so let's see. Let's look down. How about on number 20? The assignment here, and I'm going to write it on the board and also put it on the lesson if I remember, is 1 through 16, and then 21 through 24. And I think that's, 34 through 36 over there. Many of these are very, very easy. Just look at it. Boom, it's done. There's very little math involved. But let's look down. I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff here. Where'd my eraser go? Nope, here's my eraser. One eraser. All right, because we know things and we're smart people and beautiful and wonderful and all those things. Speak for yourself, I know. So we're going to have this little taco here. I'm still into Mexican food, so we're doing tacos and enchiladas and chimichangas. I love the way they say that, even though it's not right. NEAT. That's pretty neat, huh? That was sad, I know. So we have this deal here. This, they say, is 36 degrees. La, 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 let's see. This is x minus 2 here. That's this angle, because there's a little line up there that says so. And this side is 3y plus 8. And this is 5y up here. And let's see, there's got to be something else. 4y minus 4 there. 4y minus 4 there. And let's see what else we have. We've got x. Excuse me. So I can find everything in the world. Links to the sides, all the angles, all that stuff, okay? So this is a parallelogram, right? That's a given. Is it marked like that? It says find each measure in neat. Well, you assume it's a parallelogram, but we'd have to, because we're talking about parallelograms, so that means that this side and this side are the same, this side and this side are the same. This angle here plus this angle here equals 180. This one here plus this one equals 180. That means this one and this one are the same. We just know bunches of stuff, okay? So let's just take piece at a time. Let's find these two sides, all right? So what that means is this is the same as that. So we go 3y plus 8 equals 5y because they're the same. They're congruent. So we'll take the y over here. 8 equals, subtract over there, 2y. So y equals 4. Now that's not the length of the side. That's what y equals. Y is 4. So 4 times 5 up here, there's 20. There's the length of that side. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 8 is 20. Length of that side. So you see how that works? It's just super easy to do stuff like that. Now, again, if this is y, that's the same y, so we're going to put 4 in here. That's 16. Take away 4. So this side is 12. That would make this side 12. You understand? I didn't do anything with this. That's y, that's y, that's y. Y is y. Why? Because it's y. And which is which. Unless it's on the beach, then it's a sandwich. So that's all the sides. Now let's look at angles, okay? Let's just look at angles and see what we got going on here. If that's 36 degrees, let's see. ENA. Well, I just know a couple things. This right here is going to be 36. If this is 36, this is 36. This is x minus 2. This is x minus 2. So let's just try this. You understand? This angle, let's see, I'll get you a different color here. Bing, bing. We said that opposite angles are complementary. It means they're the same, right? So let's just do this. I mean, there's a couple ways we can go. Either, it doesn't matter. How about this? 36 plus x minus 2 equals, well, that won't get us anywhere. That's a good thought. Let's go a different place. If we go this angle plus this angle equals 180, because that's what we said also, supplementary. So x minus 2 plus 36 plus x equals 180. This angle plus this angle has to equal 180. That's what we said for parallelogram. So here we have x plus x is 2x. 36 take away 2 is 34. Equals 180. So if we subtract 34 here, subtract 34 here, we have 2x equals 8, 7, 1, 6, 7, 4, 1. So that's 146. Divide by 2, x equals 73. So this is 73. This is, this right here, this piece right here is 73 minus 2. That makes that 71. this is going to be 71. That's 36. This is 73. This entire angle will be 71 plus 36. So that's 7. That's 10. So this TNE angle equals 107. So you have every angle in the universe. This is 107, that's 73. This is 107, that's 73. This piece is 36, this piece is 71, this piece is 36, this piece is 71, this side is 20, this side is 20, this side is 12, this side is 12. So you just have to start putting stuff together because we know stuff about a parallelogram. This side is the same as this side. Set them equal to each other, find y. I put whatever the value of y is in here, multiply by 3, add 8, there's that. Multiply by 5, there's that. Multiply by 4, subtract 4, there's that. That and that are the same. We know that this angle plus this angle is 180, so we add them together, solve for x, put the numbers in, we got all the different angles, okay? That's how you're going to work all this stuff, okay?